Hi everybody, Mike St. Amour here, also known as Precise26 from traders-circle.com. Right now I'm looking at gold, and gold is in an interesting situation, and my chart here is a little different than what I normally do, and it's just because there's a lot at play right now. So basically what I have going here is I have multiple Fibonacci levels. Okay, so we have our main Fibonacci net level from the longest term bottom to the top. Okay, that's the purple lines. Then we have our secondary one from the top to the bottom. That's our green lines. And then we have our more recent bottom to top, which is this peach color here. And then we have the much shorter term here from the bottom to the top, which is the blue. So we can see there's a lot of Fibonacci levels right around here. It's definitely a strong area of resistance, strong area of support. That is definitely for sure. I'm also noticing sort of a hammer here, which is right on or around these support areas here. And I mean, that doesn't really mean too much yet because nothing's confirmed, and I'm looking at these indicators and they still look bearish. Everything looks bearish. So we probably might go down a little more here, but I suspect we're going to struggle to go much further than this. And reason being is all those Fibonacci levels, of course. Then you have this support area here, which is fairly new, but it definitely showed to be something that tried to prevent price a fair bit from moving down, and when it did, it just kind of snapped back up. So definitely got to watch out for that. And then we have our resistance area here, which was a fairly strong resistance area. Really, it definitely made price bounce quite a bit off of it, and when it broke up, it just snapped back down. And that may be the case now, to be honest with you, but we have to see. I suspect we are turning this resistance into support now, along with this support, and I suspect we will just continue the bullish trend. So I am definitely going with continuation versus a breakdown. Looking at the indicators, they do look bare, but the RVI did not break the support level yet. So definitely still hope for the bulls. Coming on the 4-hour, we can definitely see we entered a bearish trend. So we are definitely bear right now on the 4-hour short to mid-term. And to return back to bull, we would need to see a break of that. So some people would buy somewhere maybe after a big wick or something. We might get a big drop and then really fast back up. You have to keep that in mind. Like just a wick, you know, something like this. Just like we're not seeing that yet, so we'll have to see. I'm also not seeing no cross or weakness in the moving averages, so you know, we're gonna wait to see some more signals. A possible 1, 2, 3 bottom here on the short term. Remember, this is all short term talk. If that 1, 2, 3 bottom holds, it would need a break for that. This would probably be something like a 30-minute chart pattern, and then we would break to there and probably test here. In the end, I'm quite convinced that this is going to be a pretty bullish year. I am seeing some weakness in that position, like we're crossing here on the RVI, but the support is not breaking, so, or it's not close to breaking anyways. And I'm not even going to go into the monthly because I can't even tell. Anyhow, I think that's all I can say about gold. So pretty much it's an uncertain time. Some people might still want to short. So if you're in on the down and you're bear here, so what you're looking for pretty much is breaks on the down, because this time frame we have a bear trend. So the short-term people are going to look for these little short-term points to get in, okay, on the bear. If you look on the shorter term, you can see they're actually spots that you can enter as they break down. So, you know, make sure you're making your lines properly like that. On the breaks, on the breaks, on the breaks. Everything is good to bear here still. This is a bearish trend on this time frame. So continuation is fine to go with. That's okay. Just watch out for your short to midterm consolidation. Once this breaks, we're going to consolidate up to the key, or the mid key resistance area. Anyhow, I hope everybody's profiting on this. It's been a great run so far. Just keep in mind everything I said here, and please like, subscribe, and share this video. I'm sure a lot of people will find it helpful, and have a great day.